The Pose Bronzer Duo is a HD matte blurring bronzer. So this palette comes in two different shades. One is a reddish tone and one is a bluish tone. Now the red helps you to give you a little bit more of a warm feel to your face. It bronzes up, it tans your face, a softer contouring. And the blue helps you, it gives you more depth. So it helps you to define the jawline and the cheekbones. You want to just look and you want to have a really sculpted face. So these blurring properties in this product really helps you to blend it really easily and seamlessly. So you don't have any harsh lines and you get a very natural contour. For soft contouring, I would use a big powder brush because it helps you to blend the product easier. First, I would use the red tone bronzer to contour the face. I would use it just a little bit more broader, a little bit more wider basically, to create a soft contour. After, I would use the bluish tone and I would use an angular brush to go under the cheekbones and under the jawline to get a little bit more precision. What is nice about this product is that you can build it up, layer it and create more intensity. But also while doing it, while creating this intensity, you can easily blend it.